Hello students, in my previous video lecture I have taught you about Aufbau principle and how to fill the orbitals and write the electronic configurations of different elements. While writing the electronic configuration, that sequence remains up to 3p. After that 4s comes before instead of 3d. Why this confusion occurs? This was explained by determination of energy with the help of quantum numbers, and it was the Bohr-Bury rule which is used to calculate or determine the energy by using principal quantum number and angular quantum number. This Bohr-Bury rule is also known as N plus L rule, which is as follows. Okay, sometimes what happens, actually the students feel slight confusion while filling the orbitals in electronic configuration, because sometimes the third orbital comes before fourth orbital and sometimes fourth orbital comes before third orbital. To sort out this problem, there was a scientist, that was Bohr-Bury, who gave a rule, that is Bohr-Bury's rule. According to this rule, orbitals get filled in order of their increasing n plus L values. So its first definition is that orbitals fill in order of increasing n plus L value. I am going to explain you by taking one suitable example. For example, between 3s orbital and 4s orbital, which orbital is to be filled first? You have to calculate n plus L values. So in 3s, the value of n is 3, and for s, L value of L is 0. So what is the value of n plus L? It comes out to be 3 plus 0, that is 3. Okay, on the other hand, in 4s orbital, n is equals to 4, and what is the value of L for s orbital? It is 0. So n plus L comes out to be 4 plus 0. This is 4. So which orbital get filled up first? Because orbital get filled in order of the increasing value. So that orbital which have lower value of n plus L, that is 3s. Now I am going to take another example. One is 3d and another is 4s. We have to calculate n plus L value for both. You know that for 0, 1, 2, 3, what is the value of L? For 0 it is S, P, D, F. Okay, in 3D the value of N is 3 and the value of L is, when for the D value of L is, what is value of L? 2. Okay, so N plus L comes out to be 3 plus 2, that is 5. And in 4s, value of n is 4 and value of L is 0. Why? Because for s, value of L is 0. So its n plus L value is 4. Now, since 4s orbital have less n plus L value than 3d, so 4s orbital comes before 3d. Fourth orbital comes before 3d while writing the electronic configuration. Okay, what happens when both the orbitals have same n plus L value? For example, we are going to take example of 2p and 3s. For here n is equals to 2, for here L is equals to 1, here n is equal to 3, L is equals to 0. Now L plus L comes out to be 3 in both the cases. So if value of n plus L comes out to be same, that orbital which have lower value of n will be filled up first. So in 2p, value of n comes out to be 2. So 2p orbital comes before 3s. What I am saying, if two orbitals have same n plus l value, then that orbital which have lower value of n will be filled first. This is Bohr's-Bury rule. Sometimes this rule can also be known as n plus l rule.